Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all the wallpapers on your iPhone. So let's get started. To do this, the method is a little different than just going into the Settings app. First, make sure you're on your lock screen. I'll lock my phone first. Once you're on the lock screen, press and hold anywhere on the screen. The important part is to press and hold. This will ask for your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. After you unlock it, you'll enter the lock screen edit mode. This is where you can manage and delete your wallpapers. To delete a wallpaper, simply swipe up on it and then tap Delete. It will ask if you want to delete this wallpaper. Tap Delete this wallpaper and it's removed. You'll need to repeat this for each wallpaper one by one. Unfortunately, there isn't a Delete All option. Just swipe left or right through your wallpapers and delete each one until you're left with only one wallpaper. Once you're done, tap on the remaining wallpaper to exit edit mode. That wallpaper will stay selected until you choose or add a new one. Just remember, the main step is to press and hold on the lock screen to open the edit mode. When you do that, your iPhone will ask for Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After that, you can swipe through your wallpapers, edit them, delete them, or even add a new wallpaper. That's all you need to do. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.